In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Activecampaign with Clickfunnels 2025 efficiently. This step-by-step guide ensures a smooth integration so you can seamlessly manage your marketing and sales funnels. So let's get started. First, navigate to the Activecampaign website by heading to activecampaign.com. Once you're on the home page, you should see a login option on the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a login page where you'll be prompted to enter your account details. Type in your account name or email address associated with your Activecampaign profile and proceed by selecting the login button. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Activecampaign dashboard. From here, look towards the bottom left of your screen for a settings option. This is where you'll access various crucial features of your account. Click on settings and next proceed by selecting developer. The developer section is essential as it holds the API details necessary for integration. Here you'll find the API URL and API key. Take a moment to copy both the API URL and the API key. These are your secret ingredients for this integration, so keep them handy. Now let's switch gears and head over to Clickfunnels. Open your Clickfunnels workspace and locate the integrations option within your account settings. This is where you can add and manage all external applications and services that talk with Clickfunnels. Click through to integrations and you'll arrive at a page with a search bar. Type Activecampaign in the search box. It should pop up as an option in the list. Click on Activecampaign to initiate the connection. Now you will be prompted to enter the API URL and API key that you copied earlier from Activecampaign. Paste both the API URL and key into the appropriate fields. This critical step allows Clickfunnels to communicate effectively with your Activecampaign account. Once you've input both pieces of information, take a quick moment to ensure there are no errors or extra spaces. Finally, click on the Proceed button to finalize the integration. You should receive a confirmation indicating that the integration was successful. If everything has been done correctly, your Activecampaign account will now be linked with Clickfunnels, enabling you to synchronize data between the two platforms conveniently. And there you have it, a clean and effective integration, all within a few short minutes. With this setup, you can now efficiently manage your customer journeys and funnel activities. Remember, this integration streamlines your workflow, helping you focus more on strategy rather than technicalities. Thank you for following along and enjoy the seamless combined power of Activecampaign and Clickfunnels 2025. Until next time.